Welcome to Dalfin. In this video, we'll guide you through configuring the for loop event in Dalfin's workflow. Start by dragging a UI trigger into the workflow. Provide a meaningful title and description, select the required method, menu, and window, and then click Save. Next, retrieve a variable or any event that contains records. You can also use a filter event to fetch data. In this case, we already have data stored in a variable, so we'll retrieve the variable. Drag the retrieve variable event from the Variable Management Events section, provide a title and description, and choose to fetch data using either a constant value or data carry from previous nodes. Here, we'll select a constant record and then click Save. Now, pull the for loop event into the workflow. Provide a title and description. In the Settings block, choose either Range Iteration or Data Iteration. If selecting Data Iteration, you can carry records from the retrieved variable. Click on Choose from here. Select the stored variable, and confirm the selection. Now, click Save. Next, configure the for loop by adding a Create Record event. Provide a title and description and select the appropriate system, menu, and window. In the Data settings, choose whether to use Bulk Create, Ask User for Input, or Data Carry. The selected window includes fields such as title, amount, quantity, description, customer name, customer email, and is invoiced. Now, map the data fields. Select Data Carry, click Choose from here, and use the plus icon to assign the respective fields, title, amount, quantity, etc. Repeat this for all fields and click Save. Once done, connect the workflow events, finalize the for loop connections, and click Publish. Finally, navigate to the window where the trigger is placed, execute it, and observe the data being successfully added using the for loop event in Dalfin. This setup automates data processing efficiently, making workflows more dynamic and streamlined.